Allu Arjun, who's facing the heat over the stampede at Pushpa 2 screening, is grilled by the Hyderabad police. The superstar was questioned at the Chikatpalli police station on Tuesday. India Today has accessed the details of Allu Arjun's questioning. Sources say the police grilled the actor on his claims made at the recent press conference. According to sources, Allu Arjun was questioned whether someone asked him to reach Sandhya Theatre on December 4th. The police also asked the actor if the theatre management informed him not to come to the venue and if his personal security detail was briefed in advance. After 4 hours of grilling, Allu Arjun left the police station. Sources say that Allu Arjun answered most of the questions without hesitation. The actor allegedly said he came to know about Revati's death only the next day. The notice sent to Allu Arjun, exclusively accessed by India Today, mentions recreation of the scene at Sandhya Theatre. His legal team was spotted at the Sandhya Theatre. Meanwhile, politics is heating up with Congress blaming Allu Arjun and BRS hitting back at the ruling party.
We are nowhere connected with that incident. CM, Chief Minister, has ordered for stringent action against those who have attacked Allu Arjun's house. Law and order will take its course of action on all equally.
This whole issue has become Congress government versus Allu Arjun, which is not right. Let the court decide. This whole thing looks up that, probably Revant Reddy ji wants to be a Robin Hood by saying that, I've hit a rich man. But why selective sympathy?
To add to the controversy, Telangana Minister Sitaka questioned the recent national award conferred on the movie Pushpa. A fresh complaint was also lodged against Allu Arjun by Congress MLC Teenmar Malana, specifically criticizing a scene in which he urinates in a swimming pool while a police officer is present in the pool.
We are, as a part of government, I am objecting that this kind of message we are giving to the viewers, that is not correct. That should be removed from the movie, that scene.
The face-off between Revant Reddy government and Allu Arjun is set to have major political repercussions, with all parties in the state entering the fray and taking sides. With Apurva Jayachandran, Bureau Report, India Today.